Hello everyone, so the question is group anagrams. It's a medium level question, and basically you will be given a string, an array of strings, and you have to group the anagrams together and return the array. So for example, if we have eat and tea, we know that these both are anagrams of each other, because if we rearrange tea it will form eat, and if we rearrange eat it will form tea. We know they are anagrams of each other because they both have the same letters, and the letters are occurring at this for the same number of time. Here E is occurring, and the number of times is same. T is occurring and A is occurring. There is no extra alphabet, and all the alphabets are occurring same for the same time in both of them. So we know these two are anagrams of each other. Even if there was one single T extra here, even though the letters are same, but the count is not same, so we can never rearrange this from this. So this will never be an anagram of this. So now let me show you how we will solve this. So this was our input, and so basically what we are doing, first of all we will take a dictionary. So we have C and it's our dictionary now, and we will traverse through our list once. And what the most important part of this solution is this part, which will require some explanation. This part. So first of all, let's talk about this, what we are doing, why we are doing what we are doing. So we are sorting the list. Why we are doing that? Because if we sort eat and tea, we know they both are anagrams of each other, and if we sort eat, it will form AET, and if we sort T, it will also form AET. Since these both are same, we can say that these are anagrams of each other. So that's why we are sorting the string, and we are using the sorted function, which takes an argument and returns a sorted array. So these will all be written as an array. But then why we are converting it into tuple? That's the second point here. So let me explain. Since we are here, we are checking if temp not in C. So we are in a way uh, looking up in our dictionary, and to look up in a dictionary we have to first of all hash whatever is given here. And if we do not convert it into tuple, temp will be an array, and array cannot be hashed. It's not hashable. Why is that? Because temp is mutable. Array is immutable. Since array can we can append values on an array, we can remove values from it. It can contain values of different types, same types. So the array cannot be hashed in Python. So this cannot be done until and unless we convert it into tuple. So tuple is hashable because tuple is immutable. So whenever we pass tuple to our hash function, it will always return a single value every time. Whereas in the case of array, since it's mutable, there is a possibility that it might return different values for the same array. That's why we have to first convert it into tuple for this to work. So now let's dry run our solution once and I will show you how it works. So our dictionary is empty currently. So we will start from here, and we will let it will be sorted as AET. Since it's not in our dictionary yet, we will add it inside a list. We will add X inside a list, so it will be added. Then we will see t and sort it, it will also form the same thing. So we will come to the else part and we will append x in the same list. So t will be added here, then tan will be a and t, it will form tan, and 8 will again form this, so it will be added here in this will be added here, and this will form a new key with a b t. So after we are done, we are just returning c dot values. What is c dot values? So when we say c dot keys, this returns an array of all the keys in the dictionary. So this would have returned this, this, and this. And c dot values returns array of values. So it will return this, and this here, whatever they will be at here in an array. So that's basically what we were required to return. So this will be here, this will be here, and this will be here, and this will be returned, and we will get our answer. So let's check the time complexity. Since we are traversing through it for once, so this will be order of n, and we are sorting string, and let's say the length of the string is k, so this will take k log k time. So overall time complexity will be n k log k. So you must be thinking that this is quite a significant time complexity and it will give a timeout. Well, it might have, but it will not in this case. Why is that? Because if you look at the constraints of the question, k is from 0 to 100. Since the range of k is not that high, so this will not have a significant impact in our time complexity. So we can say that this solution will work without any issue. And as for the extra space complexity, since we are using a dictionary here to store all that strings in the strs list, so extra space complexity will be order of n. So this solution will work perfectly fine and pass all the test cases. So yeah, thanks for watching.